Hello students, now we are going to see third question in exercise 3.1. Find the simplified form of the following ratios. Here given, see first subdivision 15 is to 20. Yes, 32 is to 24, 7 is to 15, 12 is to 27 and 75 is to 100. Above the questions I was written some values, which means students here I am going to use the multiplication table. If you are thorough on that multiplication table means it is very simple to solve this problem. See, I am going to use 5 table, 8th table, 3rd table and a 5 table. Yes, see now the solutions for these problems. The first one, 15 is to 20, given is 15 is to 20. See this number 15 and 20 present in which table? Both the numbers. See, 5th multiplication table, you are getting that 15 and also 20. So now I am going to use this result here. See, 15 is to 20 ratio can be written as fraction form. So now 15 is to 20 can be written in 15 by 20. Now see, 3 5s are 50 and 4 5s are 20. So I can rewrite this 15 as 3 into 5 divided by the 20 as 4 into 5. Because 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Now see, we need to simplify. Simplified form is required. So that now in this cancelling the common factor, this 5 and this 5. Now what we are getting? 3 by 4. So getting 3 divided by 4. Yes, 3 and 4 different table values. So this is the simplified form. Only this 3 and 4 present in the one table. So the simplified form of a ratio is 3 is to 4. Since 1 only a common factor for this 3 and 4, this is the simplified form 3 is to 4. See the next one, 32 is to 24. Yeah, and this students 32 is to 24. This 32 and 24 present in the 8th table. See, 24 I am getting, 32 I am getting. See, after this I was stopped. Why I was stopped? Since 24 and 34 after this I am getting 4 8s are 32, 3 8s are 24. No need to write the whole multiplication table. Here 32, 4 8s are 32 and 24, 3 8s are 24. How to rewrite that 32? First of all, rewriting in the fraction form. 32 divided by 24. 32 can be written as 4 into 8 divided by 24 can be written as 3 8s are 24. 3 into 8. Now cancelling the common factor, this 8 and this 8. What we are getting now? 4 by 3. Yes, 4 and 3, for that only common factor is 1. We are getting this 4 and 3 only in the one table. So simplified form of the ratio is 4 is to 3. Look at this third one, 7 is to 50. 7 and 15 not present in the same multiplication table. We are getting 7 in the 7th table, 15 in the 3rd or a 5th multiplication table. So we can't able to write this as a previous problems as a common factors. So this is itself, the given question itself a simplified form. 7 is to 15. See, first subdivision 3 is to 4. Second subdivision 4 is to 3. Third subdivision 7 is to 15. Now this fifth subdivision 75 is to 100. See, 75 is to 100. Fraction form is 75 by 100. Yes, this number ends with 5, this is ends with 0. So 5 and 0 means surely that is divisible by a 5 table. So here considering the 5th table. But see students, 10 5s are 50. But this is a greater number, so that I am considering from 11 5s are 55 to 20 5s are 100. See, in this table we are getting 75 and 100. 15 5s are 75 and 20 5s are 100. So the 75 can be written as 15 into 5. And this 100 can be written as 20 into 5. Now in this cancelling the common factors. What is the common factor here? 5 and 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled. So what is getting now? 15 divided by 20. 15 divided by 20 is the first question. First subdivision. Very simple. What is that? 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. Now cancelling the common factor, this 5 and 5. What is getting answer now? 3 by 4. Therefore, the required simplest ratio form, the required answer now in the ratio form is 3:4. 4.